Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are going to St. Louis in like 1 hour. My wife is all packed. Here is me. I am definitely the procrastinator of the two. Let's get some clothes in there. I think I have everything. Over here is all of the YouTube and filming stuff. We have running because I am training for a marathon and some random clothes. Let's get them packed and go to the airport. We made it to Nana's and Papa's. I'm going for a short run. Papa's gonna show us their trailer. We're gonna go on the pontoon and check out the lake for a little bit. But this will be home for the next few days. We've unpacked a little bit. We are back from the lake. Everybody had to shower because we got hit with a thunderstorm. The plan for this afternoon is to visit a winery. It's sunny outside now, so I think we should be good to go. Let's head out. We are back from the winery. Papa's really good at DIY and home improvement, so he's gonna teach me a new project. This is a totally separate video. We're gonna set that up and get to work. Good morning. Yesterday was mostly a travel day. I did a quick warm up and gonna finish my workout. Today is August 8th, 4:30. Gonna grab some breakfast after this and explore the city. We took the pink line and made it to the Bean. Gonna explore here a little bit. Try to take the green line to Alder Planetarium later. Good morning. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film any of last night's festivities, but we did go out and have a bunch of fun. We went to all of the sightseeing places I wanted to go to. So the only thing on today's agenda is to get pizza. Home sweet home. I haven't really unpacked, but I think my wife did a little bit. Every time we travel, we miss our kitty cats. There's one over there. Let's try to find the other one. Where's Vanguard? He's over there. Hi, buddy. But we did have so much fun in Chicago. Video number 171 done.